It might sound impossible to you, but in just a few minutes you'll be able to play your first beautiful piano song. For the first step, all you need to do is find a group of two black keys, pick the left one, then press the white key directly to its left. This is the note C. Here we place our thumb. Now press the thumb down 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Great! Next, imagine you're holding a baseball or tennis ball in your hand. That's how we should place our fingers on the keys. Not too flat, like this, and not too bent, like this, but relaxed and nice, as if you're holding a ball in your hand. Place your thumb back on the C, and the other fingers should now rest on the neighboring white keys. Next, we'll just play the thumb and the pinky finger. Thumb, pinky finger, and back to thumb. Stop! Now it's time to shake your hand. This is very important. And also to know that the pinky finger is a weak finger. Now we'll repeat that 2 more times. Thumb, pinky finger, back to thumb. Again. Thumb, pinky finger, back to thumb. In my experience, students who take this seriously from the beginning do better in difficult exercises later on. So take your time, practice these 2 notes properly, repeating them at least 10, but preferably 20, 30, or even 50 times. Next, we place our left thumb on this C here. We can set aside the right hand for now. And remember, the rest of the fingers on the neighboring white keys. Now let's play the C 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Great! Next, we play the thumb 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Then we play the middle finger 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Not easy, but I have help in a second. Next, we play the pinky finger 3 times. 1, 2, 3. That's really tough, right? But again, some tips in a second. Then we play the ring finger 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Great. Now I have 2 tips for you if you're having trouble with the left hand. Tip number 1, you can play the notes with the index finger. Let's do this together. First C 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Then move down 2 white keys and play those 3 times. 2, 3, 1. Move down 2 white keys again and play these 3 times. 1, 2, 3. And lastly, move up 1 white key and now play this 3 times. 1, 2, 3. That's tip number 1. Tip number 2, you can check out my free piano crash course for beginners. I'll link it in the video description below. It's a little starter pack for beginners where you get a step-by-step, the right amount of practice, an ebook packed with chords and more tips for beginners, and even a bonus course for when you're more advanced. Both courses are totally for free. Many of my subscribers have joined, and I'd be very happy if you do too. Next, we play both hands together. The left hand starts with a C, and then the right hand plays thumb, pinky finger, thumb. That's 1 round, and we'll repeat this twice. Left thumb, right thumb, right pinky finger, right thumb again. Let's do this one more time. Left thumb, right thumb, right pinky finger, right thumb. Look, when I play this faster, it sounds like this. Sounds pretty great, right? That's why it's worth practicing this at least 10 times. Great, you're almost there. Next, we move the left hand from C to A and play the same with the right hand. Left middle finger, right thumb, right pinky finger, right thumb. Next, we move to the third note in the left hand. Here I play this with the pinky finger, but the right hand plays the same. And this sounds like this. And faster. Finally, we go to the last note, G. And again, left, right thumb, right pinky finger, right thumb. Next, I play each of these 4 exercises for 3 times, and all together sounds like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Next, 1, 2, 3, 4. Next note on the left, 1, 2, 3, 4. And the last note on the left, 1, 2, 3, 4. And I can play it even faster, and it sounds like this. And for the next step, you want to click right here on this video because we'll continue with many more beautiful songs.